Hello, good day viewers. I welcome you to this mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question right here. So the question reads, evaluate the limit. So we have lim as x approaches 9, x squared minus 81 over the square root of x minus 3. So here we understand that when x is approaching 9, we can substitute where there is x, we put a 9. So let's try to do that so that we see what we are going to have. So here we are going to write lim as x approaches 9. So this will be 9 squared minus 81 over the square root of 9 minus 3. So this will give us 9 squared, it's 81 minus 81, okay, over square root of 9, it's a 3 minus a 3. And this will give us 81 minus 81, it's a 0 over 3 minus 3 is also a 0. Now, if you have something like this, this is what we call indeterminate form. Come up with an indeterminate form, there are different methods that we can use. So the first one, we can use L'Hopital's rule. So here we are going to apply L'Hopital's rule. Alright, so now how do we apply L'Hopital's rule? So to apply L'Hopital's rule, we are going to find the derivative of the numerator. So in this case, we are going to say d dx of x squared minus 81. This will be equal to 2x. Okay. Then, so this is our first step. Second step, we are going to find the derivative of the numerator, the denominator. In this case, we are going to say d dx of root of x minus 3. Now, when you look at the way this one is, you can write it as x power half, then minus 3. So we are differentiating now this part, of which the power is 1 over 2, which will be multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is a 1. Then this will be x power 1 over 2 minus 1. The derivative of a constant is a 0. So here we are going to have a minus a 0. Then from this part, we are going to say 1 over 2x. Now half minus 1, it will give us negative half. This is what you have, of which we can write it as 1 over 2, then square root of x. So this is the derivative of the denominator. So we can now write our function in this way. So our function, we are going to write it as lim as x approaches 9. So the numerator is a 2x now over, so this is what we have, over 1 over 2 square root of x. Now in this case, we can substitute where there is x, we can put a 9 to see what you are going to have. So we are going to write lim as x approaches 9. So we have 2, then a 9 here, over 1 over 2, then square root of a 9. And this will give us 18, because 2 times 9, it's 18. Then divided by, so I'm using now this division. So the denominator is 1 over 2. The root of 9, we know that it's a 3. So it will be 1 over 2 times 3, which will be 1 over a 6. So we are dividing with 1 over a 6. And this is going to be written as 18 times 6, which will give us 108. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.